Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again, uxable. Today I'll be talking about what are micro-interactions in UX and why it is important. So micro-interactions are small interface reactions to any particular actions taken by the user in the app or website. The best micro-interactions in mobile UI design makes user feel rewarded for taking that particular action. Every micro-interaction has three primary functions. First, to provide instant feedback. Second, encourage user interaction, and third, make user experience fun without deviating them from the main task. To understand better what is micro interactions, let's see a process flow of micro interactions. How micro interactions are either user or system triggered, and in result, feedback is communicated to the user by a small change in the UI. So in this given diagram, if you see, there's a user on the left hand side and there's a system on the right hand side. Any action is triggered by either the user or a system. So like for example, if user enters a form, he's filling a form, and if there is any error or any success message, so that is triggered by the user. The form is filled by the user and there's a micro interaction and there's a feedback or that error message or that success message, how that is displayed, the way that animation is displayed, that is called micro interaction, and that feedback comes back to the user. In other case, any system notification that triggers by the system, right, not by the user, and that system triggered micro interaction is again the user sees in the form of feedback and he receives the feedback. So here are the few examples of micro interactions. So in this example, if you see, there's a CTA button, find tickets, and once the user hits the find tickets call to action, how that animation of the plane goes and the final CTA appears, that is view results. This keeps user engaged while performing that action. Another example of notification, how the system notification comes. It's like a message coming and triggering that bell, and that bell is ringing. Those real world examples that keeps user engaged. Another example, like a toggle day and night. If you see the day like a sun and moon in the night mode. Another example of add to cart, like once user clicks on add to cart and the cart appears. Pay now, once user clicks on pay now button and the success message or the error message would appear. So these are the small interactions that keep user engaged while performing that action. That's what the beauty of micro interaction is in UX. And the last one is a download. One user hits on the download button, how that visibility of system status is there. It shows that how many percentage as the user has downloaded. So to conclude, well-designed micro interactions can make a big impact on your user experience. They provide value by serving as a vehicle to communicate with the user. Micro interactions provide visual feedback of the system status or help users to prevent errors. Additionally, micro interactions can enrich your product by communicating brand, which thereby encourages user to select your product over your competitors. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. And if you have any comments, please share your comments below.